Hi, today I'll be showing you how I decorated this cake with fondant paneling method. If you're a beginner, just keep watching the video to the end. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. So first of all, you roll out your fondant. You measure the top of the cake. As you can see in this video, I've already rolled out my fondant for the top. I'm trying to cut it out. For cutting out, you can also use a knife. If you don't have this I'm using here, you can use a knife. So when you cut it out, you're going to be placing it on the top of your cake. Yes, so when you place it, you smoothen it, ensure it's well lapped on the cake. So I'll be using the paneling method. So you're going to be seeing me turning my cakes. Yes, I love to turn my cakes. For this fondant, it gives me a very good finish look. So when you turn it, you're going to be cutting out the excess, just like I'm doing in the video. You cut out the excess fondant. If you are watching me, please subscribe, like, leave a comment for me. It's a way of encouraging my video. So let's move on to the next. I'll be rolling out the body to cover the cake, the body of the cake. But before now, you should have measured to know what you are trying to achieve. So I think the body was 27. I'm trying to roll it out. So you have to roll the fondant in such a way that you are going to be easy for you to spread out. So you have to roll it very well. Ensure it's well rolled out. So I'm taking the measurement. Bakers, they also measure. They are also tailors. They are also carpenters, because there's some carpentry work you also have to do. So that's by the way. So after measuring, you roll, as you can see. Then here I'm trying to place it on the cake. So you can see how I'm trying to be careful with it. Just take your time, slowly, slowly, you surely get there. It's nothing so serious, so just take your time and place it properly. Then you cut out the excess, just like I'm doing in the video. So after cutting out this excess, you're going to be flipping the cake. One thing about fondant is you have to be smoothing the body. That's the way it comes out nice for this fondant recipe. I used 2.5 kg icing sugar, but I didn't finish it. That was what I did in my previous video. So if you've not seen that video, you could go back to check or to watch the video on how I made the fondant. So it was actually my first time of doing a two-tier cake. So I successfully placed the cake. Before you place this cake on this one, you have to ensure that you support it with dowel rod so that the cake does not collapse. So after that, I proceeded with designing the cakes, putting the design I want for the cake, making sure it comes out nice. With fondant cake, you have to be patient, very, very patient with your work. It's actually time consuming. That's why you see most bakers, they actually charge more when you demand for fondant cake, because the time you spend in fondant cake would have covered like 3 or 4 cake, butter, icing or whipped cream, while you're still doing fondant. So this here, I'm trying to like design the body of, I'm trying to like design the cake board to give it a new look. So that machine or that thing you're seeing like is like a gun is actually a gum stay. So you place, yeah, you plug it for it to work, and it melts. There's a gum you put, it melts the gum, so you now place it on. So at this point I was trying to paint the cake with gold dust to bring out the color. So for you to use this gold dust, I added edible spirits to it. So if you're a beginner, you're wondering what do they add to the gold dust for it to be a little bit watery, is edible spirit you add to it. So being a baker requires a lot of patience. If you're not patient, this fondant icing requires a lot of patience. At this point, I'm almost done. I think I'm halfway done. So we're almost there. If you are watching my video till now, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment for me, encourage me so that I can do more videos. Yeah, you heard me. Encourage me. Let me not give up on this journey. So I'm almost done here. It's just for me to put the flower, attach the flower and the cake inscription. So I'll be leaving you guys here. I hope you enjoyed the video. You could ask me questions and I will gladly answer you. Till I see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Till I see you on my next one.